So, as a student, I access my file menu and access admission menu. In the admission form, I go to the here, open the certification or the certification role section. In the document the certification, I try to attach a document. Then I click attach a document, it will display error copy. I try to attach document for the certification role also that have this button, and I click also display copy hour. So the expectation is when I try to click attach a document, is it directly download the document, this document with the type is zip. Okay, so yeah, I should be able download the document via attached document. Click for the recommended certification and the certification role.